Windows.old folder using Disk Cleanup tool. The size of Windows.old folder is more than 30 GB and cannot be deleted manually. Search of Disk Cleanup in the search bar at the left bottom. Then click on Open and then click on OK. Click on Cleanup System Files. Select the drive where you have Windows.old folder and click on OK. Wait for a while, it may take some time to appear and load the files. Check all the boxes in the list except the ones which has name downloads in it, as it may delete files from your downloads directory. After selecting everything, click on OK. Wait till the process finishes, it may take some time. Windows.old folder is deleted with some other unused files.